Have you ever stopped to wonder how your smartphone seems to know you better than you know yourself? Welcome to the fascinating world of machine learning, a field that's reshaping every aspect of our digital lives. Machine learning is a branch of the larger tree of artificial intelligence, a term that's been capturing imaginations and driving innovation for decades. But what exactly is machine learning? It's a method of data analysis that enables computers to learn from experience. Yes, you heard it right, computers learning from experience much like humans do. At the heart of this process are algorithms, the sets of instructions that guide computers in their tasks. These algorithms improve their performance over time as they are exposed to more and more data. The more data they consume, the better they get at predicting outcomes, making decisions, and even understanding human behavior. In essence, machine learning is the process by which our devices learn from us and from the world around them to become more efficient and effective. Now, you might be asking yourself, how does this machine learning thing actually work? Well, let's dive right in. Think of machine learning as a detective of data. It scrutinizes large volumes of information, identifies patterns, and uses these patterns to make informed predictions or decisions. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of magic, it's powered by mathematics and algorithms. Machine learning isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. There are various types, each with its own approach. Supervised learning is like a teacher-student dynamic, where the machine learns from labeled data. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, is more of an explorer, finding hidden patterns in unlabeled data. And then there's reinforcement learning, where our machine learns from its past actions, much like a child learning to walk. Now, you might not realize it, but machine learning is everywhere. It's the genius behind recommendation systems, voice recognition, and even the self-driving cars. So, the next time your phone suggests a song you might like or a route that might save you time, you'll know it's all thanks to machine learning. To wrap things up, let's revisit what we've learned today. At its core, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that empowers computers to learn from experience, much like humans do. This learning process is achieved by recognizing patterns within data, which the machine then uses to make educated predictions or decisions. Let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer brilliance of this technology in our everyday lives. When your favorite streaming service suggests a movie you might like, that's machine learning at work. The voice recognition capabilities in our smartphones and smart home devices, also machine learning. Even the concept of self-driving cars, which once seemed like pure science fiction, is now becoming a reality, thanks to machine learning. As technology continues to advance, machine learning will only become more integrated into our daily lives, making our devices smarter and more personalized than ever before.